There are a few different options for CTs in size and type. You can see this is an optional CT. It's our extra large spring-loaded CT. Sometimes you use that at convenience, sometimes just because the size of the diameter of the cable. This will handle a conductor that's up to 750 MCM, and you can see, of course, they just squeeze together. You'll also note the polarity dot, just as with the standard CTs, faces away from the panel on the mains toward the utility. Another option for services that are larger than 1200 amps, so that it will typically have more than 3 conductors per phase, is our Rogowski coils, as you can see here. This is a 5000 amp coil. You can see how they fit together. The important thing with Rogowski coils is to look at the direction of the current. There's an arrow there, so in this case the current is coming from the utility toward the panel, so you see our arrow is in the direction of the current as we put the Rogowski coil around the cable. Snap it together, be sure it's closed, and you can see the current. Then you want to adjust it so that basically the wire is away from the cable, basically like that. It's also very important when you're connecting a Rogowski system to be sure there's some load on the panel. As we noted in our previous standard installation video, you always want to check the MPU stats page to be sure that your voltage and CT connections are in phase. It's also important for a Rogowski coil system as well. And to test this, you want to have some sort of load on the panel. You don't want to do this with all the loads shut down, because the Rogowski coils are designed for larger loads, so you want to be sure you got a true reading when you're making that verification.